Welcome to the channel RIK Learner for KCET NEET. A rod of length L leans by its upper end against a smooth vertical wall, while its other end leans against the floor. The end that leans against the wall moves uniformly downward. Then we have to choose the correct option among these four. See the hint in the question. The end that leans against the wall moves uniformly downward, means this edge is moving downward, and I call this velocity as Vy equal to constant. Okay, so this is constant. So then what I have to choose here is option 1 says the other end also moves uniformly. That means this end. Okay, this end also moves with uniformly. This is said in option 1. Option 2 says the speed of the other end goes on decreasing, means this end which moves to the right with a decreasing speed. Third option says the speed of the other end goes on increasing. So this point when it moves to right, its speed increases. The speed of the other end first decreases and then increases. So this point speed first decreases then increases. This is said in option 4. So let me convey the actual situation. Here I call the displacement made by this end, otherwise the distance between this point and this point, so it is y. Okay, so from here to here it is y. This whole edge is y, and from this point to this point the distance is x, right? So when this edge comes down, okay, so when this edge comes down, this edge moves here like this. So in this situation, y decreasing and x increasing. So this is the main hint what we must observe first. Okay, so I can simply say this is a right angled triangle. So in this instantaneous situation, at some instant, I may simply say x square plus y square is equals L square. Okay, so now make differentiate. So differentiating this equation with respect to time t. So then what I may get, it is 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt is equals, so this L is nothing but length, this hypotenuse, which is constant for this stick. So this rod is of a constant length, so that means when I differentiate on this side, so I get 0, right? I have to find Vx is what. Okay, so my concentration on this one, which is said Vx. So where actually Vx is? So just observe this one, dx by dt. So this dx by dt is Vx. And what actually dy by dt? So this dy by dt is Vy. Okay, so dy by dt is here, which is Vy, and dx by dt is here, which is Vx. So now I can simply rearrange this one. I am interested in finding Vx. So when I rewrite this equation, Vx is equal to minus 2y divided by 2x into, it is dx by dt, which is sorry, this is Vy, right? So this remains here, which is Vy. Okay, dy by dt is Vy. And it is said that in the question, see, it is said that the upper end against a smooth vertical wall, while its other end leans this. The end that leans against the wall moves uniformly downward. That means Vy is constant, we already written. right? So that means this is constant. This term is constant, this one. So means what? I can simply say Vx is proportional to minus y by x, right? Because 2 get cancelled. So now think about y and x. I have given you some clue here. In the whole situation, y decreases and x increases, right? So this x is in denominator and this y is in numerator. Numerator is decreasing, denominator is increasing. That means the ratio decreases, right? So when the ratio decreases, what I can conclude, Vx also decrease, right? So that means Vs goes on decreasing in our situation. So means what we have to choose, when I observe, I think this one is right. The speed of the other end goes on decreasing, right? So Vx decreases. It is correctly said in option